Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to Sisters Love channel, where I upload my daughter's reading, my learning to code journey. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can play game. That's spiral web game. That fish catches the crab. So last tutorial, I have showed you how you can draw the maze, and from there I will start my game. So made this in advance, so we'll learn pretty cool things. So first I will show you how the game will start. First I will show you the game. When the game flag is clicked, the fish is moving. When it touches the color, it says house and it's ask, do you want to play, yes or no? So if I press no, it will go back to previous section, and if I play again, like when the green flag is clicked, the fish will move and it starts, it will again, it will ask. Okay, so how do I do this? I add the background music also, so everything we learn from scratch. So first, if you want to use the offline editor, like I don't have anything, so offline or online, as if you follow my tutorial, you know, first if you want to go to the online, you have to go scratch.mit.edu. Then you have to create new file, or if you want to offline, that is, so first offline I will show you how you can uh, load the sprites image from your computer. So here the sprite section, so top of the section is upload sprites. You will click that, and desktop I have saved my image. So this one is like my sprites. So we don't need to do anything with that, just only stays and sprites. And if you go to online, so you'll create that. And so for that spiral web, so here the two things. For the game we need two sprites, fish and crab. Then we'll animate the crab and animate the fish. Okay, so we'll go to the same thing. If you want to upload the sprites here, you'll choose, or if you want to start from the beginning, like drawing spiral web, then you want to add the sprites. So I'll go for this, upload the image. Okay, so now here I'm using the offline version. So I'll, okay, if I use this one I cannot zoom in, so better use the online version. So here I will upload my sprites from my computer. So, sorry, I'm doing double. So I'll upload, it's import from the, now it's set up in screen. Okay, it's done. Then I don't need this cat. So now I will add fish, 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 and I need crab. So I add crab. So first we want fish will be from starting position here, and crab will be starting position here. For the crab, we'll do code first. You know, if you the script section, if you use the right click, there is a add comment. So here you can set the comment up and down by clicking this arrow key. So I will copy this, what I will do for crab, so it will be easy for us to make. So where is want to animate the crab, start crab position, move x coordinate by 10. So first we will go to the event section. Definitely if you click the green flag, I want the crab moves from horizontally left to right. So for that we need to set in direction 90 degree, definitely. So we'll set the crab position whatever the crab is now, and we'll set the direction is 90 degrees. And now what I want to crab move forever until it's catch the fish. Okay, so we'll do it, repeat until, repeat until, then the looks, I mean sensing section is has the tossing the fish or anything. So I'll say if it's repeat until it's touching the fish. Okay, so when it will fish, then it will stop touching the fish. So, and what we'll do, I want move, you can use the change x or move x. So let's say change x by 10 steps, then the control section I want the wait there for 1 second, then move back to change x by negative 10 steps. So you can use either moves 10 steps or change x, same thing. So here I want negative 10 steps. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, you can see that crab is moving from left to right. So but crab size is very big, so it's tough, it's not fit that section. So two ways you can do, you can change the size from here, or in the code section also you can do that. In the looks palette it has the set size too, so I want to set size to like, let's say 50%. So now when the green flag is clicked, okay, the size I want to set the position, it's touching it. So now it's cool, this position I want, so it's good. Now the crab is done. Now we'll go for the fish section. So fish is the main section. There you need to do a lot of things. So here the how I can control my keyboard and set the winning or game over message, everything we'll do. So first we'll need the add comment. So if you add comment and do what you want to do, it will be very easy for us, and even for you also do like that. So for animating fish, we have to control the keyboard up arrow, down arrow key. So first the control sections, I mean event section, here is when space key pressed. If you use this one and in the drop down menu, we'll see lots of every keyboard or number control you can do this. So we need these four steps: up arrow, down arrow key. So up arrow key, then we know when we use the up arrow key, we want fish moves from bottom to top. So the motion section, what we need to change that direction. Okay, so up arrow key means 0 degree. 0 degree means when I click the up arrow key, the fish turns in. 0 degree means it will go from bottom to top, I mean vertical line. Now I will copy of four of these. So I'm just right click and copy. So up arrow key, then down arrow key means it's fish will move back down from top to bottom. So for down arrow key we need just 180 degree, the opposite of. And now we need the left arrow key. Left arrow means from fish, the sprites will move from right to left. So that means the direction will be minus 90 degrees. And left to right means positive 90 degrees. So now when I click the green flag, the fish crab is moving, but fish, for fish we need this. See, I use the up arrow key, it's going left to right. Down arrow means top to bottom. Left arrow means right to left. And up arrow and right arrow key said up arrow is when I click the green flag, when I green up arrow key, it's not going 90 degrees. Why? Oh, this is, see, I said two up arrow keys, so it's this grab one. So here I have to choose right arrow key. Okay, so now if I use up arrow key, it's go up, down arrow key down, right arrow key right, left arrow key left. So I said that. Then we need main thing. So when events the green flag, I want that exact position. So I want to set the size of the sprite, so we'll go and set size. It is in the look section. Okay, set size like 40%. So 40% it's cool. It's okay. And if you want to change the costume, you can do as well. So like any fish, if you want that fish, you can do that also. So okay, so fish 20%. Then we want to position will be same, so go to X and Y. And one cool thing, like when you play game, background music is important. So how you can get the background music? So for this, let's say this is the my main, even you can set the stage, but in this case I use this image, so I cannot use the backdrop. So in the fish is the main thing. So in the sound section, what we'll do, he had the built in that ocean wave sound and the bubble sound, but to choose a sound sprite, you'll go to the sound tab. If you use the loop, the music will continue doing that. Select that which music you want. So any music, whatever you like, you can select it. Let's say I want any one. Okay, choose this one. Okay, so when I click the green flag, oh, I have to set the music. So now the I choose the sound, then I will start that sound, play sound until done. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, it will start the sound until done. Okay, the sound done. So first I'll mute that sound, so that you know we'll use the sound later on, because I have to click several times the green flag to check how it goes. So now it's set it. Now we have to make the fish move. How we can set the fish move? We'll go to the control sections. Then it says I set the arrow key. Now if it starts the spiral color, if you see the message, if it starts the spiral color, now the winning section, we set the move. If it touches spiral color, game over, stop script. If touches crab, win and go back to previous position. So first we'll set the score. Okay, so we'll make the operator section variable, make a variable score. Like if you are good at playing game, then maybe you will do several times. So I can set the score in the bottom. Okay, so the control section, when the green flag is clicked, set that and set the score as well 0 degree, and set my score 0 degree. Now it will repeat until two conditions we have to keep in mind. So fish will move, repeat, move, continue until it touches the color or touches the crab. Okay, so for the fish will has the repeat until section, so it will continue moving until it will either color touches this one or crab. So motion section, I want move initially 3 steps. If you want, you can change 4 steps, will be little faster. Okay, let's say 4 steps. It will repeat until two condition. What the condition will be? Either color the spiral web or the tab. So in the sensing operator section, we have this logical operator, true or false, it will evaluate. So and means that both condition needs to true, or means like anything, either this one or the that one, not means the opposite. If you don't know what is logical operator, just go and read this. You will learn. This is very cool. I don't remember which class I have learned this one, mathematics, which grade. So here, like if both condition is false and will return false. If any condition, it will return true for the or. Okay, so logical operator will study if you confused here. So here I'll use this or operator. Two condition I'll set, and the set will go to the sensing section. If it's touching the color or touching the fish. Okay, so I'll take it here. So or it's touching the crab. So here the up arrow key, let me move that, let me little bit reduce the screen size. Okay, now here touching the crab, up arrow key, you can get that touching the crab. And the color, how you can get that color here. So what you do, there is the pen selection section. I mean, you will select the color by click it here. See that it's take the stage, and when you grab your mouse in the color section, it will grab this color. So it will repeat until stop, and it will make your fish move. See, it stops when, because it starts the color. So now we'll set the message. So if else, okay, I'll choose if else. So if it's touching the color, it will stop. I can copy from here, so that I don't. So if it starts the color, you will say like ouch. Okay, or you see ace, ouch, or else it will say hooray. Okay, so ace. So I set the condition, and if it starts the crab, you want to change the score by 1. Okay, set no, change score by 1. Okay, we have to select change score. Now the game is done. Now we'll set the sound, play sound until done. So if now we'll play up arrow key, see it starts and it is stop. So we'll play again. Why it is not moving? That is what I need to say. That is going to repeat until, if it starts, then change the score by 1. Okay, now when I click the green flag, what happened, what I did? Okay, maybe oh, okay, here I use the set until done. So it's not done, so here it is stopped. So I'll just start sound video game 1. Okay, now when I click, so now let me set okay. One thing I did mistake. Okay, now we'll save the spiral web game. Spiral web game. So color say house, and now okay, then two things we'll do. Like when it starts the color, you can set things like, see my project here, the fish section, we did lot of things. So next tutorial I'll show you how you can use the own defined function, and this game is more functional. Okay, so if you like, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.